Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, as you can see, the bonnet is up again, okay. I'm having some issues with the car again, okay. And guess what, you know, BMW and problems, I mean they are linked, right? Okay, so what happened was, okay guys, okay, I was driving my car normally. So it's like, okay, the sound is like this. Yeah, so it is something like that. Okay, so there was a jam somewhere there. Okay, it wouldn't go. Okay, and after a while it starts to, you know, launch. Yeah, so it is a bit weird. Cars are not supposed to behave like that, right? So actually I took out my OBD reader, okay, and I read the code. Okay, for those of you who do not have an OBD reader yet, check out the link below. Okay, this tool is awesome and it has helped me so much. Yeah, so I did a quick scan, okay, on the OBD tool, and what I got was P0306, yeah, which is a misfiring on cylinder 6. So I was thinking cylinder 6, okay, I actually changed the plugs, I changed the ignition coil a while ago, okay, it has been quite a while already, and okay, everything is working fine, okay, but now that there's a misfire in cylinder 6, alright, so how we actually diagnose all these problems usually guys, okay, we go from the cheapest item to the most expensive item. Yeah, so what we are going to try to check is, okay, the ignition coil from cylinder number 6 and the spark plug. So what I'm going to do today guys, I'm going to show you how we do it. Alright, so for those of you who are new guys, please like and subscribe first. Yeah, we are low on subscribers and we are, you know, about 6% subscribers viewing the channel. Yeah, so that means for every 100 views, right, okay, only 6 of you out there is subscribed. Yeah, so every 1,000 views there's 940 of you guys not subscribing yet. Yeah, please subscribe, it is free, and all this information, you know, might help you in one way or another, or it might help your friend or family. Yeah, so without further ado, we're going to show you how we do it. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so right now I started up the car, okay, and I'm just waiting for it to warm up a while, okay, and see if the problem is back. Alright, so as you know, okay, I actually swapped ignition coil 6 and ignition coil 1. Yeah, because I want the fault to jump from ignition 6 to ignition 1. Okay, because if it's from 6 to 1, that means I know the ignition coil is spoiled, okay, and it will be quite an easy fix. Yeah, because usually we go from the easiest part first, okay, to the harder part. And if the problem now is still at cylinder 6, okay, which is still misfiring, that means it is not the coil is good, okay, but maybe I'm looking at the spark plug or something else. Yeah, maybe that will be the second swap later on. So I'm going for a short drive right now to see if the error comes up again. Alright guys, bad news, okay. You see when I push it down, hey, it's gone. Hey, wait, it's gone. Oh yeah, you hear it? I'm down the window to let you hear a bit more about the car. Okay, because it's not supposed to sound like that. Yeah, you hear that? Yep, there was a hesitation. I hope the camera is picking up the sound. There's some serious misfiring at cylinder 6. This is going to be a... Okay, this is okay. This is good. But sometimes the starter is a bit weird. Okay, but right now the error has not popped up yet. Yeah, that's the thing about Beamers, you know. You know, when you are... Okay, there's nothing wrong. Okay, when you're in a good mood on a Saturday, Sunday, you know, you're all dressed up, going out, you know, there'll be some funny things happening. Yeah, and you know, when when I'm now trying to shoot the problem and yeah, it's not coming out. Okay, so what I can do is I'll monitor it for a few days, and okay, it might be a case of a loose connection at cylinder 6. That means the ignition coil was not, you know, it became loose after, you know, a lot of driving. Yeah, maybe something as simple as that, because I'm not having the problems now. There are no codes whatsoever, nothing. Yeah, so let's see. Let's hope everything is good. Yeah, it's really good. Maybe a couple of reps to see if the problem is coming back. Smooth. Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the whole DIY. Right, so the car performed well now. You know, there's no issues, there's no problems. Yeah, that's so typical. Yeah, and you know, somewhere, somehow, I know something might come up in a while's time. Yeah, that adds on to the fun, you know, of having a Beamer. Right, so I'll be driving this for a while now to wait if any issue pops up. Okay, and if there's no issue, that means it's just a loose connection, okay, from the ignition coil to the spark plug. Things like this happen, guys, because I mean, it is an old car. Yeah, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button, please subscribe, and drop down a comment, guys. What do you want to see next? Yeah, mods or any servicing and all this that you are going to do and you're unsure of, drop it down in the comments down below, because I might be doing it to the car as well. Alright, so suddenly I got this error again. Yeah, so it has been a couple of days, I think 3 days. Okay, and I always have my OBD reader here. I'm not sure if it's too reflective. Yeah, so cylinder 1 misfire. This is the one, okay, 0306. I swapped the 6 cylinder, the ignition coil, to number 1. So right now that number 1 is misfiring. That means the ignition coil is down. So just change the ignition coil. Yay! Alright, so what I did was, okay, I removed the one that's having issues, okay, and replace it with the old ignition coil. Yeah, well, I made a purchase for the new one online. Yeah, so this should solve the problem temporarily. Yeah, because if it works right, at least I'm not having issues with the drivability. Yeah, but I will be replacing this one soon. Yeah, so that's all. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy modding your car. Bye bye.